I'm Dr. Barb DePree, gynecologist, menopausal care provider, and founder of the website Middlesex MD. Let's talk today about the 3 important considerations in buying a sexual lubricant. For most women, they find using a lubricant very pleasurable when they have sex. It adds slipperiness or moisture, and in both cases, that's typically a very good thing for women. So when you walk into your local retailer and you look at the shelves and you see anywhere from 15 to 40 different vaginal products, how do you begin to select one that you might like? The first consideration in selecting a lubricant is what category it falls in, either water-based, silicone, or oil-based. Water-based lubricants are very common, and they're very slippery and well tolerated, but if there's much friction, sometimes they'll get a little tacky and gooey. Water-based lubricants will sometimes have glycerin added to it, and if you're prone to yeast infections, you're going to want to be cautious about that. Oil-based lubricants are also well tolerated by most women, but sometimes they can change the vaginal pH, making women more prone to bacterial infections. Silicone lubricants are usually very well tolerated by most women. They're very smooth and silky, they last a very long time, and they have the most slipperiness to them. They take away most of the resistance. So first you'll want to decide which of those categories might be best for you. The second category of consideration is whether you want a flavor or not. Obviously, that's a very personal decision between you and your partner. For some couples, they'll find that very pleasurable, and for others, it'll be very off-putting. The third consideration in selecting a lubricant is whether or not you want an arousal component to it. The arousal components usually will be either peppery or minty. The caution there is for some women, it's very irritating to the skin. So make sure when you select a lubricant, you try it at home before you're having a sexual encounter so you know how well you tolerate and whether it's pleasurable or not.